Destiny, and I'm a Recreation Services Leader with the County of Los Angeles Department of Parks and Recreation. And today we're going to be making maracas. So if you're anything like me, you have tons of these plastic eggs hanging around your house after Easter is over and have nothing to do with them. So today this craft is going to be using these plastic eggs and getting them out of your hair. So a couple other things I'm going to be using is rice, a couple of plastic spoons, and then I have some pieces of fabric. I have this red one and this green one. You guys can use yarn, string, or whatever it is that you have on hand. And the last thing I'm going to be using is a hot glue gun. You guys don't have to use the hot glue if you don't want to. You can use regular glue or, again, whatever it is that you guys have. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to open up your eggs. You're going to put some rice in here. And you don't need too much rice, just enough so that you can hear it when the egg is shaken. And then I'm just going to add a little bit of glue on this part before I snap it shut. So after I snap it shut, I'm going to wait a couple seconds because it is hot, and then I'm just going to blow on it a little bit, and then I'm just going to smooth it out with my finger just so I don't have all these bubbles on the egg from the hot glue. And then I'm going to repeat that with the second egg. Adding the hot glue. And again, I'm just going to wait a few seconds and smooth that out. And if you do decide to use the hot glue, make sure you get help from a parent because it does get pretty hot, you guys. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to take 2 spoons, and the part where I put the hot glue, I usually like to cover that up with the spoon, and you're just going to put it on either side of the spoon like this and make sure the handles are together. So then I'll usually take the thicker piece of my strings, and again, you can use whatever fabric you want, and I'm just going to start wrapping it around the handles here. You do want to make sure that you are wrapping it pretty tight so that it stays together. And on my strings, I am going to be having a little bit of the white at the bottom still showing. And that is perfectly fine. If you guys want to cover the whole thing, that's okay too. But for me, I kind of like the white showing at the bottom. So I have this little piece left, and then I'm going to add a little bit more hot glue on here. And then just press that fabric down so that it stays in place. And now we have the first step done, and I have a little bit of fabric showing here, so I'm gonna also glue that part down. And I'm just gonna press it and hold it for a couple seconds. Okay, and that is this next step. So now I'm gonna take my green string here, and I'm gonna wrap it around the base right underneath the spoon part. I'm gonna wrap it once pretty tight, and then I'm gonna start to go up the side here and wrap it around the egg and the spoon, and I'm gonna do that twice around and keep the fabric on top of the first piece. You guys can wrap it around a couple times going up the egg if you want. I like mine to just be one line across the egg. And again, I'm gonna super glue this part down. Just need a little bit of glue there. Super glue that down. And if there's any parts, falling that you don't like and you want it to be tight on there, you can also super glue that. I'm just gonna do that one part, and that is the maraca. Now we're just going to repeat that with your second egg, and again pressing the spoons on either end, and then taking the fabric and wrapping it around the handles. Now I'm gonna super glue this down. And again, I'm gonna super glue this part down in the front. And again, for our last step, I am gonna take the green ribbon, wrap it once around the base here, and up and around the egg. And then I'm gonna super glue that in place. And there you have it, guys. We have our DIY maracas. Thank you for tuning into our video today, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye.